DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to DPS TeleClass. I am AMINATH SUHA, your thematic teacher. Today I am here to teach you a topic about human-made disasters. Before starting the lesson, let's recite the dua with me.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Learning intentions. Today we are going to learn about human-made disasters. Success criteria. You will be successful if you can able to answer at least 12 questions correctly from the given quiz questions. Man-made disasters. These are some examples of man-made disasters. It includes train accidents, aviation incident, shipwreck accident, traffic collision, road accidents, structural collapse, building collapse, bridge collapse. These are some examples. What is man-made disasters? A man-made disaster is a disaster resulting from human intent, negligence, or error involving a failure of a man-made system. What is man-made disasters? Man-made disasters can be both intentional and unintentional. It results in huge loss of life and property. It further affects a person's mental, physical, and social well-being. Examples of man-made disasters include some of the human-made disasters include nuclear disasters, fires, water shortage, and sea accidents. Types of man-made disasters. Accidents. Accidents are caused due to carelessness of humans. Terrorism. This is another type of disaster that results in loss of life and property. Terrorists use violence and strike without warning. They use bombs, guns, etc. to terrorize people. Nuclear accidents. These are referred as poor man's nuclear bomb as they are easy to manufacture, transport, and have the ability to kill hundreds and thousands of people. They are delivered using dust in airplanes or small perfume atomizers. They have the ability to generate immediate effects. Chemical disasters. Disasters that are caused by the excessive use and misuse of chemicals in industries are called chemical disasters. The irresponsible handling of powerful chemicals can cause widespread devastation. Forest fire. Forest fires are mainly started by lightning but also by human negligence. They can burn 1,000 kilometers. It can kill animals and even people and damage property and buildings. Types of man-made disasters. War. People are killed and property is damaged due to war. Another type is crime. When crime occurs, killing people is also a type of crime. Man-made disasters causes. Man-made disasters are caused by human error or carelessness and failure of a human-made system. Students, now it's your quiz time. I will be giving you 20 questions to answer, and you will get 30 seconds to answer for each question. I hope you will answer for each question correctly. Are you ready for the quiz, students? Let's begin. Question 1. What are the two types of disasters? Option A, air pollution and water pollution. Option B, natural and man-made. Let's go to second question. Question 2. A disaster resulting from the human intent, negligence or error involving a failure of a man-made system is called A, a natural disaster, B, a man-made disaster. Let's look at question 3. An example of man-made disaster is A, water pollution, B, hurricane, C, crime and war. Let's look at question 4. What is the effect of fire on people and animals? Option A, air polluted, B, difficulty in breathing and animals get killed. Let's go through question 5. A disaster is a sudden calamity which causes a huge loss of Option A, life and property. Option B, area. Option C, land. Now let's look at question 6. Question 6. Man-made disasters are caused by A, naturally, B, human carelessness. Let's go through question 7. Dash is an effect of war. A. Loss of animals. Option B. Loss of land. Option C. Loss of people. Let's look at question 8. Question 8. Was and testing of nuclear dash destroy lives and property? Option A. Weapons. Option B. Chemical. Option C. War. Let's look at question 9. What does the above picture shows? Option A. Natural disaster. Option B. Man-made disaster. Now let's look at question 10. Dash is a major event caused by natural processes of the earth which causes damage to human life. Option A. Natural disaster. Option B. Chemical. Option C. Man-made disaster. Now let's go through question 11. Effects of flood include option A. Garbage pollution. Option B. Flood waters can destroy homes and businesses. Now let's look at question 12. Dash is a destructive storm with high speed winds. A. Tsunami. B. Hurricane. Now let's look at question 13. What does this picture shows? Option A. A volcanic eruption. Option B. Flood. Option C. Tornado. Now let's look at question 14. Dash can be powerful enough to lift large objects off the ground, killing or injuring livestock and severely damaging other heavy items. Option A, earthquake. Option B, flood. Option C, tornado. Now let's look at question 15. Question 15. Dash cause loss of people life. Option A, earthquake. Option B, explosion. Now let's look at question 16. Dash is a man-made disaster. A, deforestation. B, explosion. C, all of the above is correct. Now let's look at question 17. Human-made disasters affect us through dash and dash. A, destruction of livelihoods and damage to properties. B, loss of lives. C, all of the above is correct. Now let's look at question 18. Dash is formed by eruptions of lava and ash when magma rises through cracks or weak spots in the Earth's crust. Option A, volcano. Option B, volcanic eruption. Now let's look at question 19. Dash is a sudden shaky movement of the Earth's tectonic plates. Option A, tsunami. Option B, earthquakes. Now let's look at question 20. What does the above picture shows? Option A, a tsunami. Option B, flood. You all must do answers in your thematic notebook. I hope you have got more knowledge about human-made disasters. That's all for now. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.
DPS TeleClass